Let's make this super cute bee wreath. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so we start with this Dollar Tree wreath, wire form, whatever. And I have this burlap I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to put some glue on the back of our wreath. And that was just to kind of place it, but then I'm going to go around and just put glue all underneath those wires and attach it to the burlap. I would put some kind of non-stick mat underneath because it may seep through your burlap. Then I'm going to go and cut the excess off, and I'm not worried about the edges so much. Super cute, right? Then I got this fuzzy yarn from Michael's, and holy Toledo. It's so fuzzy and plush. I love it. I wasn't sure if it was going to work. I'm still not sure how much I like it because it's not very country for me, but we're going to go with it anyway. So all I did was all I'm doing is gluing it on. I just put a layer of glue onto the wire and then just place the yarn on top of that. And I'm not doing one full piece of yarn. Like I do the circle for the face and I cut it. Then I do the wings and I cut it. If you wanted to keep it one solid piece, you totally could, but that was way too much work for me. So see how I did this bottom part? This is a whole different piece. I did the wings, just go all the way around. Be mindful, hot glue is hot and this will be hot. There it is. And you could leave it just like that. Put a hanger on the back, which is what I did. I just used some jute and I hot glued it. The wreath is wicked thin. Like it's really, words are really hard. It was light. Thin, whatever. You know what I meant. So then after I did that, I made a messy bow. And all I did was take this fabric, put it into strips. The strips are maybe a ½ inch to an inch wide. And I'm using a Bodabra, but it really is just crisscross applesauce. That's all I did. And I had I think I got some Walmart clearance fabric. I mean, it's just black and white fabric and a yellow fabric. And we're just going to make a messy bow. Easy peasy. I love the stack of fabric that I had gotten. I got that at Hobby Lobby. And in my opinion, it was so inexpensive. I think it was like $4.99 for the whole package. That I was like, yes, because it's very country and I love it. I love it so much. But anyways, and again, I'm using this is a Bodabra. And then at the end of that, I just tie the jute I tied mine in a bow because I'm never sure that the messy bow is going to be right. And it's easy to fix it. See, commitment issues showing yet again. I muss it up a little bit. Then I just glue it to the center. And then I thought, you know what? It needs a little bit something more. So I added a little vintage button and holy Toledo. You know what? I wasn't so sure before, but I'm kind of sure now. I like it. Look at how cute it is. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.